Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday and welcome to my studio. You can see my little setup here with a lot of light everywhere, and I am going to show you just a little bit of brush lettering in a bit. But first I want to wish you the very best for 2020, and I really hope that it will be a super creative year for you. You might have some creative goals, maybe New Year's resolutions to make a lot of stuff, and I hope I can push you and help you a little bit with my Draw Tip Tuesdays. So whether you are diving into a new sketchbook or diving into a new creative habit, anyway, I have a really fun, simple trick for you to do with a brush pen or even with a brush, and you can fill your first page of your sketchbook, or any page actually, with this. So I'll show you just while I am wishing you a Happy New Year. I'm using an Ecoline marker, which is a juicy brush marker that is filled with Ecoline liquid watercolor. You can use any kind of brush marker or use a brush with ink or diluted watercolor paint instead. Anything you have for grabs. When brush lettering, relax your hand. When writing, put a bit more pressure on the brush on the downstrokes and release the pressure on the upstrokes. You can use your handwriting, practice block lettering, or try mimicking favorite fonts. If you go that route, script lettering might be the place to start. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, it's about the flow of brush on paper, that really great feeling. Be a little bold and don't work too small, and quickly enough, you have filled a page. Okay, dive right in and start writing something in your sketchbook. Could be your name, could be your creative goal, could be maybe a word you have for this year. A lot of people choose a word they will follow or that will guide them for the year. Anything goes as long as you just try it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you want, I can also send you a weekly email to remind you of the Draw Tip Tuesday that's coming up. So if you want to do that, sign up for the mailing list, and I will see you next week. Bye now.